SpaceX is building Starship rockets at a pace the space industry has never seen before, setting new standards for how quickly rockets can be designed, assembled, and launched. The company's goal is nothing short of revolutionary: a fleet of rockets ready for Moon and Mars missions, aiming to make humanity a multiplanetary species. At Starbase, Texas, rockets are now built in months, not years. The entire process, from raw materials to finished spacecraft, has been streamlined for speed and efficiency. This rapid production is key to SpaceX's ambitious plans, allowing them to test, learn, and improve at a rate unmatched in aerospace history. SpaceX's secret? Learning by doing. Each rocket flight brings new lessons, and every test, whether a success or failure, is a valuable step forward. Failures are fixed fast, successes are improved upon, and every new rocket is a step forward. The team thrives on rapid iteration and constant upgrades. Unlike traditional programs that take a decade for one launch, SpaceX iterates quickly, leaving old timelines behind and embracing a new era of speed. This cycle of building, testing, and flying accelerates innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in spaceflight. For Starship Flight 12, speed is everything. Every day saved in production brings the next launch closer. The faster they build a super heavy booster in Starship upper stage, the more often they can launch, gather data, and refine their designs. More launches mean more data, and more data means faster progress. Each mission feeds directly into the next, creating a feedback loop of improvement. Starbase is a hive of activity, cranes moving, new rocket parts appearing daily, and teams working around the clock to keep up the momentum. SpaceX isn't just building one rocket, they're building a rocket factory designed to produce starships at an unprecedented scale. The goal is to manufacture rockets like cars, making space travel affordable and accessible for more people than ever before. Reusability and rapid production are the keys to opening space for everyone, driving down costs and increasing launch frequency. Today's speed is just the beginning of a much larger journey, one that will transform how we explore the cosmos. The relentless pace at Starbase is what sets SpaceX apart, fueling a culture of innovation and bold ambition. Every new rocket is a stepping stone toward interplanetary travel, bringing us closer to a future where humans live and work beyond Earth. The manufacturing mindset is lowering costs and raising ambitions, making what once seemed impossible, possible. SpaceX is turning science fiction into reality, one rocket at a time, and inspiring a new generation of explorers. The future of space travel is being built, fast, with determination and vision, and it's happening right now at Starbase, where tomorrow's missions are taking shape today. Booster 19's story is a perfect example of SpaceX's new speed and adaptability in action, showing how quickly the company can respond to unexpected challenges. Originally, Booster 18 was set for Flight 12, but it was damaged during a critical phase of testing, forcing the team to rethink their plans on short notice. In the past, an incident like this would have meant months of delays, with launch schedules thrown into uncertainty and teams scrambling to recover lost time. But SpaceX had already started building Booster 19, preparing for the unexpected by keeping production moving at all times. When 18 failed, the team simply accelerated 19's assembly, ramping up efforts and shifting resources to keep the mission on track. This rapid response is possible because SpaceX operates an assembly line, not a one-off build. Multiple boosters are always in various stages of production. While one booster is being tested, the next is already in progress and another is being prepared for future flights, creating a seamless pipeline. When problems arise, the team pivots fast. There are no long pauses or wasted time, just immediate action and adaptation. Advanced machines weld the steel rings with precision, and engine installation is streamlined by robotics and skilled technicians working side by side. Lessons learned from every booster are quickly applied, making each new one faster and more efficient to build than the last. Booster 19 was rapidly moved to the pad for fueling and static fire tests, a process that once took weeks but now happens in days. These tests are essential, ensuring both safety and readiness for flight, and are completed with impressive efficiency. The rapid switch from 18 to 19 is proof of SpaceX's manufacturing resilience and their ability to overcome setbacks without missing a beat. Their factory isn't just building rockets, it's building a robust program that can handle setbacks and keep pushing forward, no matter what. This flexibility and speed are what keep the Starship program moving forward, even when obstacles appear. SpaceX's relentless pace is redefining what's possible in rocketry, setting new standards for the entire industry and inspiring the next generation of space exploration. SpaceX isn't just building faster, they're building smarter, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in rocket design and manufacturing. New Starships, like the one for Flight 12, feature more accessible external components, making them easier to reach and maintain than ever before. Tanks, pipes, and wires are now mounted outside, making installation and repairs quicker and allowing engineers to spot issues at a glance. This allows parallel work. Teams can assemble the rocket body while others prep external parts, speeding up the entire build process. If something needs replacing, it's simple. No need to dismantle the whole rocket, which saves both time and resources. The Raptor engines have also evolved, reflecting years of testing and innovation. The new Raptor 3 is more powerful and easier to build, with improved efficiency and reliability. Fewer parts mean faster production and fewer things that can go wrong, reducing the risk of delays or failures. With 33 engines per booster, even small improvements save huge amounts of time and effort across the fleet. Every design change aims for rapid reusability, quick inspection, easy repair, and fast turnaround between flights. Even the heat shield tiles are now easier to replace, minimizing downtime after each mission. SpaceX is designing Starship for its entire life cycle, from factory to launch pad and back, ensuring every step is optimized. Every improvement is about speed, reliability, and reusability, setting new standards for the industry. This is how Starship will become the world's first truly reusable rocket, revolutionizing space travel for the future. While Booster 19 was prepped, Ship 39, the upper stage, underwent rigorous tests. Pressure and cryogenic tests ensure the tanks can handle extreme conditions. Static fires check the Raptor engine's readiness. Ship 39 debuts new tech, like in-space refueling hardware, a must for Moon and Mars missions. Flight 12 will test fuel transfer systems in orbit, a first for rockets this size. The payload bay door will also be tested during re-entry, ensuring it stays sealed and aerodynamic. Each test adds confidence and capability to Starship. SpaceX's step-by-step approach reduces risk while moving fast. Every new system is validated before flight. This careful testing is how SpaceX adds new features without slowing down. It's rapid innovation but never at the expense of safety. Starship's progress is matched by Starbase's transformation. New high bays allow multiple rockets to be built at once. Automated welding robots speed up assembly and boost precision. The factory layout is optimized for a true assembly line, cutting build times dramatically. The launch site is also evolving. Stronger clamps, better fueling, and a massive water deluge system protect the pad. Upgrades mean faster turnaround between launches. SpaceX is building not just a launch pad, but a full-fledged spaceport. A second launch tower is rising, enabling parallel rocket prep and testing. This infrastructure is unprecedented in rocketry. The goal launch rockets frequently, even multiple times a week. Starbase's evolution is as crucial as Starship's. Together, they're creating a launch system for the future. Booster 19 and Ship 39 aren't just about Flight 12, they're building the future. Every rocket in flight is part of a bigger plan making space travel routine. The skills and speed developed now will enable hundreds of Starships for Moon and Mars missions. Starship's goal is full, rapid reusability, lowering costs and raising ambitions. Design changes and new infrastructure all support high-frequency launches. SpaceX is planning for the future while building in the present. Technologies for lunar landings and life support are being tested alongside orbital flights. Starbase's rapid production cycle fuels continuous development. The progress with Flight 12 is just the beginning. SpaceX is building the capability to open the solar system. Starbase's progress marks a new era in space exploration, where ambition meets reality on the Texas coast. SpaceX has proven that massive rockets can be built and tested at unprecedented speed, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aerospace. The rapid replacement of Booster 18 with 19 shows true manufacturing power and a commitment to constant improvement. Practical design choices make Starship easier to build, inspect, and repair, streamlining the entire process for future missions. Careful, step-by-step testing balances speed with safety, ensuring every launch is a leap forward, not a gamble. Starbase's evolving infrastructure supports a launch cadence never seen before, laying the foundation for a future filled with frequent missions. SpaceX is rewriting the rules of aerospace with relentless innovation, turning bold ideas into reality every single day. The dream of exploring new worlds is closer than ever, thanks to the speed, vision, and unwavering dedication found at Starbase.